Alright, y'all, another creation from the MaDsCiEnTiSt laboratories. This is the Power Acoustic 6,000 watt stable at 1 ohm amplifier. A little bit of neon upgrades. Wired it into the amp, so when the amp turns on, neons turn on. And there's another one up there. One on the trunk lid. 2 underneath each dash. Fold out TV, iPod interface, so you can do whatever you want with your iPod. What else we do? This ain't done yet, but Farad cap. There's gonna be tweeters. This is about 90% done, and then this is the real show. 3 Power Acoustic MOFO 12s in a seal box, chamber box, and this shit is fucking loud. I turn it up, but my neighbors are quite old. Another neon. This is my little brother's car. It is a Nissan Maxima.
Yeah.
Here we go. So I will go ahead and show you guys exactly what this freaking thing does. I ain't even cranked the amp up. I ain't touched it. This is just after hooking up the wires to the amplifier and seeing what it does when it turns on.
In the sick range, see you show me kick games, spit plain shit change, my money but rip thing. In this game, most niggas is no shit. They walk around in the hood with your man back home. That niggas talking like he spit the truth. This industry is a very
Man, it's so loud, man. It's squeezing my freaking brain. But as you see, custom amp rack, 4-channel amplifiers hidden behind the big amp. It's got some Power Acoustic 450 watt tweeters with some bass blockers on them, hooked up to a 1200 watt 4-channel JBL amp, and it's got 2 6x9s in the back. Those are Pioneers, and then she's running 4 4.5 inch Pioneer speakers in each, and 1 in each door, and then it's got 4 tweeters up front, all Power Acoustic. So she's loud, man. Did a custom switch, control the neons, and it controls the amplifier and punch knob. You know, this is my new thing I'm doing. If you get an install by me, I will install one of these standard. You pay a little bit extra for the install, but I recommend you go with it with one every time, because as I crank this thing up with a Farad cap, and you can watch that voltage, it don't drop. And if your voltage drops and you're at a sound competition or just driving, it's bad, man. Like, your car's about to die if it drops too low. So that's a way up front while you're driving. You can check the actual voltage running off the amplifier, which also runs off the alternator and the battery, so you'll be able to keep checking your voltage the whole time you're wanging your stereo. That comes stock with every install that I do when it comes to amp and subs. So yeah, look me up, YouTube, Facebook, MaDsCiEnTiSt, Les Weber, MaDsCiEnTiSt Laboratories. I got y'all. Hit me up, I'm cheap.